How to trade options on WeBull. What? There is a new options trading platform in town. It's not new, it's dope, and you should pick it out. You know WeBull, it's on your phone. Go to the app section, you got it. Yo, it's independent and it's free. It's not like all that stuff from the past where you had to pay an arm and a leg, $7 per trade. That stuff is old news. If you're paying that again, stop and come over to the Weeble. Freaking completely commission free. They make money on your money. They don't make money by you paying them money. And honestly, it is one of the best platforms for beginners to intermediates if you're interested in knowing everything about your stocks. It is so data rich, it's unbelievable. It's almost too data rich. It might inhibit you to start trading, so don't worry about it. This is all good for the beginner trader. Trust me. Like when I say that, it might look a little daunting, but it's awesome. Yo, and this is how you use it. Right now, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you right now how to trade options on WeBull. WeBull is a trading platform similar to Robinhood, very similar to Robinhood, similar to Stash, similar to other, I guess you would say, similar products. They are registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, better known as the SEC. So they're involved in trading, basically. This is a great platform to get your feet wet as a trader in any aspect, whether it be options, ETFs, straight stocks, whatever. You also get several free stocks when you deposit your first $100. WeBull wasn't my first trading platform, but it was my first real trading platform, if that makes any sense. Like I just said, you'll get several free shares when you sign up. The interface is perfect for beginner options traders, as well as honestly any type of trading you want to do. Paper trading is awesome because it allows you to test your strategies before you put your money where your mouth is. The company debuted their options trading platform back in March after a highly successful beta test. I wasn't there. I haven't done options tradings, but I heard it's awesome, and I know it is such a data-rich platform that options traders have had such a fantastic time using this platform. The app has useful features like AI embedded voice commands and simplified user interface, which makes life so much easier for people. You can get 2 free stocks, maybe 3 free stocks with WeBull, and start trading options with 0 effort whatsoever. We'll show you what you need to do, and then we'll show you how the right options trading strategy can bring life-changing profits your way. Not only options trading, but I made literally $800 last week trading just straight stocks. Yo, first things first. What makes WeBull different? WeBull joins Robinhood as the second major mobile trading platform offering commission-free trades, period. Yeah, there is Stash, but they're in no comparison to Robinhood or WeBull. Matter of fact, WeBull is the joint because it has so much data. It's data rich. One of the best trading platforms for a beginner intermediate get into to learn the skill of trading. Yeah, it might be popular with younger generations. However, I'm 42 and I learned with WeBull, and honestly, yes, it's popular with me too. I was so sick of paying $8 per trade back in my day. This is epic. I can finally trade like the big boys and not have to pay big boy prices. Like I just said, according to NerdWallet, you'd be paying literally $3 to $10 commission per trade back in the old men days, back when I was a kid. And on top of that, they ding you endless fees. Endless fees. By the time we're done, you were lucky if you ripped out 2% to 3% per year. People working with a lot of money might choose a big broker because big brokers might have advice, but people with my type of money, you know what? Forget the commission broker. Go with WeBull. Go with Robinhood. Go with a non-commission brokerage. And literally start here or start at another brokerage that's free. Make sure they give you some free introductory stock, okay? Like WeBull, we give you 4 to 5 introductory stocks. You hit the link in the description down below. WeBull might be a little bit different than Robinhood. One of the reasons I think it's different is Robinhood does accept fractional shares. WeBull hasn't gone there yet. However, WeBull is so data rich that it's almost worth going and learning how to trade on WeBull than Robinhood. There's definitely more options for advanced and intermediate traders. Both Robinhood and WeBull give you margin trading so you can trade on credit. However, WeBull offers way more advanced data-driven charting. This type of data helps you jump from beginner to pro very quickly and makes WeBull the platform for somebody who's interested in learning. Here's how you begin trading options with WeBull. 1, you open an options account on WeBull, similar to Robinhood. There are 4 steps to options trading on WeBull, straight up. Number 1, you get approved. It literally only takes like 5 minutes. Find your stock. You obviously need to look at the market, see what the trends are, see what the volatility is. Your options trading strategy will be determined by the state of the market, which sectors are up and which sectors are down. Simple shit. Picking stocks can be tough in a volatile market like today's. Honestly, way more profitable, seriously. So step number 3, make your trade. Don't limit yourself. Now that you know which stock you're looking at, you should choose your option strategy. Seriously. Like, really, what option do you want? That's the goal here. You want the put option? Or do you want the call option? Or do you want to do more complicated strategies such as the spreads? Save that for down the road. The put or the call option is your best bet in options trading. That's options trading in a nutshell with WeBull. And just like you're going to smash that like button, you're also going to smash that place order on WeBull app. And literally all that's left to do is now subscribe to the channel down below and hit that bell icon, and also watch how well your stocks do on WeBull. Bang! That is literally trading options on WeBull and WeBull in a nutshell. Literally get your free stocks. Well, they got Apple stocks and Tesla stocks still in the mix. Grab your free stocks in the link down below. I will repeat this. Getting set up with WeBull and getting set up with an options trading platform is such a good start with trading stocks. Freaking duh. You'll probably want to do your research to figure out how to make money. Let's put it this way. You're not in this to lose money. Duh. You need to do your options research. That was a sentence that I created. How poetic. Check this out. Sentence number 2 that I created. However, WeBull is platform for trading of all kinds. Savage. Oh, shut up. Just click the link down below and grab some free stocks up to $1,500 worth. Link in the description. Link in the description, dudes. Just click it. Real. Oh, also, if you want to, hit the subscribe button. Also, smash that like button if you like it.